Hello everyone, welcome to Target UP APO series episode 19. Let's begin with the first question. Which of the following section of BSA 2023 states that if the attesting witness denies or does not recollect the execution of the document, execution may be proved by other evidence? A. Section 68, B. Section 69, C. Section 70, D. Section 71. Answer C. Explanation. Section 70. Prove when attesting witness denies execution. If the attesting witness denies or does not recollect the execution of the document, its execution may be proven by other evidence. Hence, option C is the correct answer. Question 2. Under the Bharatiya Sakshi Adhiniyam 2023, when a document is alleged to be written or signed by a person, how must this be proved? A. By presuming the signature to be genuine. B. By proving the contents only. C. By proving the handwriting or signature of that person. D. None of the above. Answer C. Explanation. Section 65. Proof of signature and handwriting of person alleged to have signed or written document produced. If a document is alleged to be signed or to have been written wholly or in part by any person, the signature or the handwriting of so much of the document as is alleged to be in that person's handwriting must be proved to be in his handwriting. Hence, option C is the correct answer. Question 3. Consider the following statements regarding verification of digital signature under Section 73 of the BSA 2023. 1. The court may direct the person who purportedly affixed the digital signature, the controller or the certifying authority to produce the digital signature certificate. 2. The court may direct any person to apply the public key listed in the digital signature certificate to verify the digital signature. 3. The court is required to obtain prior permission from the certifying authority before initiating verification of a digital signature. Which of the above statements are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. Or D. All of the above. Answer A. Explanation. Section 73 proves as to verification of digital signature. In order to ascertain whether a digital signature is that of the person by whom it purports to have been affixed, the court may direct A. That person or the controller or the certifying authority to produce the digital signature certificate. B. Any other person to apply the public key listed in the digital signature certificate and verify the digital signature purported to have been affixed by that person. Hence, option A is the correct answer. Question 4. Which of the following is not considered as a public document under Section 74 of the BSA 2023? A. Records of acts of tribunals. B. Public records kept in any state or union territory of private documents. C. Documents forming acts of the sovereign authority. D. None of the above. Answer D. Explanation. Section 74. Public and private documents. 1. The following documents are public documents. A. Documents forming the acts or records of the acts. 1. Of the sovereign authority. 2. Of official bodies and tribunals. And 3. Of public officers, legislative, judicial, and executive of India or of a foreign country. B. Public records kept in any state or union territory of private documents. Hence, option D is the correct answer. Question 5. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below the list. List 1. A. Presumption as to books, maps and plans. B. Presumption as to power of attorney. C. Presumption as to electronic agreements. And D. Presumption as to certified copies of foreign judicial records. List 2. 1. Section 85 of BSA 2023. 2. Section 84 of BSA 2023. C. Section 89 of BSA 2023. 4. Section 88 of BSA 2023. Code. Option A. A2, B3, C1, D4. Option B. A4, B1, C3, D2. Option C. A3, B2, C1, D4. Option D. A4, B3, C1, D2. Answer C. Explanation. Section 89. Presumption as to books, maps and charts. Section 85. Presumption as to electronic agreements. Section 84. Presumption as to powers of attorney. Section 88. Presumption as to certified copies of foreign judicial records. Hence, option C is the correct answer. Question 6. Section 93 of the BSA 2023 states that where any electronic record purporting or proved to be 5 years old is produced from any custody which the court in the particular case considers proper, the court may presume that the electronic signature which purports to be the electronic signature of any particular person was so affixed by him or any person authorized by him in this behalf. A. This statement is correct. B. This statement is not correct. C. Partly correct. D. None of the above. Answer A. Explanation. Section 93 Presumption as to electronic records 5 years old. When any electronic record purporting or proved to be 5 years old is produced from any custody which the court in the particular case considers proper, the court may presume that the electronic signature which purports to be the electronic. Hence, option A is the correct answer. Question 7. A agrees in writing to sell a horse to B for 1 lakh rupees or 1,50,000 rupees. A. Evidence cannot be given to show which price was to be given. B. Evidence can be given to show which price was to be given. C. Evidence may be given to show which price was to be given. D. None of these. Answer A. Explanation. Section 96. Exclusion of evidence to explain or amend ambiguous document. Illustration A. A agrees in writing to sell a horse to B for 1 lakh rupees or 1,50,000 rupees. Evidence cannot be given to show which price was to be given. Hence, option A is the correct answer. Question 8. As per the provision of BSA 2023, wills admitted to probate in India, A. may be proved by probate, B. may not be proved by probate, C. shall be proved by probate, or D. shall not be proved by probate. Answer A. Explanation. Section 94. Evidence of terms of contracts, grants, and other dispositions of property reduced to form of document. Exception 2. Wills admitted to probate in India may be proved by the probate. Hence, option A is the correct answer. Question 9. Section 87 of BSA 2023 states that the court may presume, unless contrary is proved, that the information listed in an electronic signature certificate is correct, except for information specified as subscriber information which has not been verified if the subscriber accepted the certificate. A. This statement is correct. B. This statement is not correct. C. Partly correct. D. None of the above. Answer B. Explanation. Section 87. Presumption as to electronic signature certificates. The court shall presume, unless contrary is proved, that the information listed in an electronic signature certificate is correct, except for information specified as subscriber information, which has not been verified if the certificate was accepted by the subscriber. Hence, option B is the correct answer. Practice question. What presumption does the court make under Section 85 of BSA regarding electronic agreements? A. That the agreement is unenforceable without physical signatures. B. That the electronic record must be printed and signed manually. C. That it was concluded with valid digital signatures. D. That only government agreements are presumed valid. Thank you for watching.